times 46, right?
Yes.
So let's start with exponents. What's an exponent? Can anybody tell me what an exponent is?
The tiny bit number.
Multiply, it's like the number you multiply.
Little number, but the little number means something. What does it mean?
The number.
To multiply what? So if I give you, let's say, a 4 to the 3, what does that mean?
4 times 4 times 4.
Yeah,
You multiply 4
by itself.
3
The
times.
amount of times you multiply by itself.
You got it. The number of times you multiply by itself.
Yay.
So if I have 4 to the 5, that means
You have to multiply 4 times. You have to multiply 4.
times itself.
Yeah, 5 times.
5 times. Okay. That part's clear. Now you know that everything in math has an inverse to it, right?
Yeah.
So let's say that this is going forward, how would you go backward?
You have
What's
to
the-
do the divide one.
It looks like a division, but
Yeah.
it's called a root.
Root.
So,
Root period.
how much is 4 to the 3? Anybody know?
3.
16 times 4 is
64.
64. And this one would be what? Calculators, guys, come on.
I'm not my math.
4 to the 5. This would be 1024. Okay.
I brought out.
So to go backwards, if I give you, what is the third root of 64? In other words, which number multiplied by itself 3 times gives me 64?
4.
You will know that it's 4 to the 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it gives you 4.
But how do you know it's 4?
Ah. Right now, it's cut and try. Let's say that I tell you square root of, how about square root of 81? If it doesn't have a little 2 here, it means there's an imaginary little 2. So what would you have to ask yourselves? You would have to ask yourselves, what number multiplied by itself 2 times gives you 81? Do you know of any number that multiplied by itself 2 times gives you 81?
9.
9. So you put a 9, and that means that the answer to the square root of 81 is, yeah? What about the cube root of 27? What does that mean? What do you have to ask yourselves?
What times itself 3 times equals 27?
Very good. What number multiplied by itself 3 times equals 27? And what would that be? Anybody? 3? So your answer is 3. Okay? Does that make sense? How about this one? I'll give you one, a big one. What's the question there?
2.
Very good. 2, because 2 to the 4 is 16. And that gives you 2. That's the answer. Okay? Is that clear how this is the inverse of that?
Not so much.
Not
I
so
kind
much?
of get it.
I kind of get it.
I don't get it.
You don't get it. Let's do another one then. Do you understand the exponents?
Yes.
Yes. That part is easy.
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand that the roots are going backwards on the exponents? That's the part you're lost with. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But like I
Let's
can
do
do it.
this.
I can do it, but it's easy.
You can do it if it's easy.
Yeah.
Of course.
No, like I can do it. I can do it, but it's very hard for me.
Okay, let's see.
That's
How
all.
about if I give you the square root of 121? What do you have to ask there?
Well, 1 times itself equals 121.
What times itself, Leah, gives you 121?
What? 1?
1 times 1 gives you 1. And you have 121.
121.
11.
How about 10? Let's think of 10. 10 times 10 gives you,
20.
100.
so
Oh, me too.
it gives you 100. So we know it's got to be above 10, right? So he said 11. 11 times 11,
Right.
121. So it's 11 times itself. One time, right? So twice.
5.
Gives you?
21.
11.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Somehow?
Yeah, it makes sense.
It's like another way of dividing.
But why did you take away
The little two?
Yeah.
Ah, because this out here takes it away. There's a little 2 here. And later on you will understand, or you will learn that this divides itself. This 2 will divide with this one. And that gives you a 1, and 11, 1 time is 11. Okay? But right now, just understand this part. So, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good now?
Better.
Where did I get the 11?
Yeah.
My infinite fountain of wisdom. No, he gave me. It's, how did I get to 11? The nearest one I could think of was 10. 10 times 10 gives me 100. But I need 121, not 100. So the next one would be 11. 11 times 11 turns out to be 121. So that's how I got it. Okay?
Yeah.